All right, we're going to test a 3D printed drone frame with 3.5-inch props on a 1606 motor. And we're going to try it on a 4S battery and see if we can't cook something. It's also like 37 degrees out right now, so perfect day to test about a 3D printed drone. All right, let's do this. So honestly, I haven't tuned this thing. This flight controller was in my 5-inch drone, and see how it goes. No flyaways yet, that's great. Feels pretty fast. Wow, it's actually pretty snappy. Wow. Haven't blown off the motor yet. It's not bad. Power loop. Wow, that thing gets going. Okay, so this is a sub 250 drone with like 1606. They're actually rated for 6S. So if this all goes well, then I'm going to see if I can push it. And then we'll throw some 6S on there and see how that does. But it's pretty quick. No prop wash either. Yeah, wow. It's actually really smooth. Okay. What should I do here? Let's do maybe do some like slow stuff here real quick. I have this camera angle just a little bit too much for slow stuff. Okay, I'm starting to get used to this thing. Honestly, the corners are starting to feel really good. I'm just loving the fact that this drone hasn't fallen out of the air or warped on itself. Man, it's snappy. It seems to be a little more responsive than my 5-inch with the same tune. And this is pretty fun. If it kept going like this and I didn't bust anything, this would be sweet. All right, we are going to give this thing a little bit of a rip. All right, let's do a lap test. Whoops. Little oversteer there. Oh yeah, definitely not used to it yet. Whoa! That was close. Oh no! On the trampoline and it bounced. Oh, I heard a crack. See if it's done. Okay, I thought for sure that was busted. The crack was actually not the frame, was totally the propeller. Like all of them. Okay, 2 of them got hit pretty good. This guy bent up, this guy broke. This thing's still flyable. So, oh, might have a loose part inside. Might want to check that out. Probably should unplug it. Are we still going? Oh yeah, everything's still good. So I'm gonna pull this thing apart and see, but so far that thing was just giving her. Oh, I do see some heat warp. I do see some heat warp right here on the front. So that means that on a day like this and a little bit of I mean, the motors are cool actually. I wonder if that's from the little smack that it took. Like, could I bend that back down? Yeah, it's definitely warping. So I think what we need to do is take this thing and throw it at a like a nylon carbon fiber frame and see if it could handle that. But I should probably 3D print or get some new rotors on this thing, test it out, and then see if it can handle 6S before I destroy it again. Let's check it out. All right, so it's later in the evening. It's a lot cooler. I got some new props on it. I haven't touched it, and we're gonna go for 6S right away. I haven't tested this. Let's see how it goes. All right, here's to not crashing. Ooh, they kind of jumped. Holy. Okay, so I got 3-inch 5-blade fans on here. Wow, it just screams. You hear that, Seth? Mm-hmm. Oh, a little bit of stutter in there. Seems to be flying pretty good though. Man, I feel like those motors are just like cooking. I like the sound of that. That's fun. Okay, so how fast does this thing go? Oh, the prop wash there. Oh my goodness. Well, that's not, yeah. That's, this is getting a little crazy. I just about crashed because I was swatting flies. Alright, let's do some, I should really see how warm the motors are, but I didn't stop last time either, so we should probably see how fast this thing can rip. Man, I just about popped myself into that tree. And that one, and that one. There are a lot of bugs out right now. Warm weather. This is where I crashed last time. Alright, let's do a full out punch out. Wow. Dang. It held that. And that went up really fast. I actually think that might be the fastest I've ever accelerated straight up on a drone. Even over my 5-inch. Mind you, I don't run 6S on those guys yet. Man, I'm just really hoping that this frame's still good. And we can try and print carbon fiber and see if it can hold up. Ooh, no prop wash there. All right, now I'm just starting to have fun because I kind of expected it to die. And so maybe we should go do some nice cinematic. Oh yeah, sunset. Yeah, little prop wash there still, but you know what? I've been flying this thing long enough to know that I don't think I'm gonna bust it. Really curious to see how those motors are doing. I'm gonna pull it in. Actually, yeah. Oh! Don't know what that was. Okay, how hot are these things? Yeah, it's impressive. These things aren't even lukewarm. Well, that's makes me wonder if you even need to go to a nylon carbon fiber frame, because that's actually pretty awesome. I'm gonna put this thing up for you guys to download if you want to test it out and try it for yourself, and I'd love to hear what you guys think. So take a look for the link in the comments, and thanks for watching.